Is the shifter loose or broken on your car? Well, today I'll be showing you how you can drive your car without fixing it. Especially if you have an emergency, it's loose or broken, you still will be able to drive it. Two ways to do it. I'll be showing it here, but please watch the entire video so you don't miss the steps. This will apply for many manufacturers, years and models. It doesn't matter, any model. Car is not giving the key because it got stuck. I'm gonna turn it on and see all the lights right there, and it's in reverse right there. It's in reverse, as you can see, because this thing broke here. See, it's all loose. Now if this happens to you while you are away from home, or you're at work or something, and if you need to go home, I'm gonna tell you what to do to go home with this shifter, with a shifter broken. But you have to take some precautions and engage the emergency brake right there. And the first option here is coming beneath the car here, but please have someone else to be on the brake pedal at all times while you're doing this, and engage the emergency brake too. All right, and this is the neutral safety switch here. It's a little dark, and what you're gonna do is move it to either park or reverse. It depends on what gear the vehicle got stuck once the shifter broke. See, as you can see, I'm moving here, and it doesn't matter if you don't know where is a reverse, drive, or any gear. See, as I can moving here, it's clearly that I'm moving it to any gear, so the person inside the vehicle can tell you to where you're moving it. So it's in park, it's reverse, so don't worry about anything else. Now the only thing is, once you put it in park, you're able to turn on the car. So once you turn it on, what you do is, while the vehicle is running, exactly, you have to put it either in drive or reverse. That will depends on to where you want to go. But please make sure someone is stepping on the brake at all times. All right, so this is the way to do it from beneath. And now let me go inside the car. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it on right now. I'm gonna see if it turns on. All right, car is running. Car is up and running. And this is the second option here. We need a Phillips to take the plastic covers out. And now I need the key to turn on the ignition switch, because I need to pull out these screws that go here. This is a Toyota Sequoia 2001 2007, I said 4.7. So to be able to turn on the steering wheel like this and have access to the screw, in this case every design will be different, but the idea is the same. And we do the same on the other side too. And it broke from here, and here too. And this here is the same cable that I went to move beneath the car. And now that I removed the plastic covers, I'm gonna be changing gears here to reverse, drive, parking, anywhere you want to. You can change gears with no problems. And you can drive anywhere you want to also like this as an emergency. So you don't have to pay the tow truck, and you don't have to go beneath the car. You can do it from here too, as you can see. I think I have a better angle here to change gears. As you can see, I'm changing it to neutral, reverse, anywhere you want to. So definitely you can drive your car like this as an emergency. Have it in neutral right there, as you can see. All right, now you know that you can drive your car with the shifter broken or loose. So please take some precautions. That is very important. And every manufacturer is different, but it's very similar. And so all you gotta do is go to look for the cable in the transmission or beneath the car, or you either do it in the steering column here. Some shifters also are on the floor, so you gotta do it on the floor by the carpet. So please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless you all.